Okay, this is a quick video to show you guys how to update your menu so that you have categories and then have your blogs organized by category. So right now on the home page, we've got this custom feed here. Okay, and if I go to right now, it's only showing one blog. If I go to settings, okay, and I go layout, right now it says 1. Okay, if I bump that up to 5, you'll see that it pushes down and it shows more up to 5. Okay, so or 7, whatever I have. I think I only have 5, so I'll bring that down to 2. Whatever you want. You can leave it at 1 for now if you want. Okay, and it's calling on or it's choosing all posts. Okay, what you're going to do is we're going to add a new page. Okay, in our menu by going to our menus and pages. We're going to create, so there's our blog, okay? We're going to create a new page, and we're going to call this page, we'll call this one Scratch, okay? And on the Scratch page, so now there's home, okay? Now I'm on the Scratch page, okay? And I'm going to go to add, and I'm going to add in under the blog category a custom feed, which is the same thing that we just saw on the home page, okay? And I'm going to go to this first one here, and click on this. Okay, so here's my custom feed, and right now it's showing it's showing 2 categories. Okay, sorry, 2 blogs. Let's go over to my blog here and see how many posts I have. Okay, so you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts, and right now I have no categories set. So if I click on here and I go edit, I can go in here and I can say that this has to do specifically with a category. So over on the left here, I click categories. Okay. Now right now the categories, these are the default ones that you guys have: travel, my top 5, and then I've added scratch and homework. Okay. I'm going to create a new category called game design. Okay. I'm going to create another category called flash. Okay. And I'm going to say that this game on belongs to the game design category. Okay, so I'm going to check that on, and then I'm going to publish this. Okay, so that means that this one is specifically categorized as game design. I can do the same with my other blogs. So here I'm going to go to categories. This has to do with Scratch, so it's going to be Scratch. I publish that one. If you need to edit or get rid of your categories, say we've got, by default, we had this travel and my top 5. Okay, so here, I'll show you how I got there again. So if I'm on my blog page here, manage posts, okay, and then on the left side here, as this updates, it's going to go to your blog, and at the bottom it says manage categories. Okay, I click on categories, and I can just delete what I don't need. So I don't need travel, so I'm just going to click here and delete that. Okay, and I don't need my top 5. I'm going to delete that as well, and it asks you, are you sure? And if you do have category or blogs that are related to this category, it's just going to put them in your all posts feed. Okay, so I delete that. Okay, so now I'm down to Flash, game design, homework, and Scratch. Those are my categories. I'm going to go back to my blogs and manage my blogs. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go to this. I did this one already. I'm going to go to Dino, and I'm going to just check that that is on the Scratch category. It is. Manage posts. Okay, so we're going to go through each of those and update each of them so that they're related to a proper. This one is going to be, oops. This one is going to be related to Flash, publish, and this one is going to be related to categories, Scratch. Okay, so that's it. Hit publish. Okay, I'm done with this, and then I publish my site. Everything should be good. Okay, now this is, again, I mentioned that this is drawing on all of my posts, so I want to change that. I'm going to go to settings here, okay, and I'm going to say choose category. So this is on my Scratch page, so I want to specify not all posts, but I want it to be only Scratch posts. And you see that it updates now to only show Scratch. I'm also going to bump my layout from 2 up to about 10. Now I don't have 10 posts, but by the end of the course I will. And so it's just going to show more as I go under the Scratch category. Okay, I can do the same by adding another page. Okay, you could duplicate this page and change it, but I'm just going to go add page. Okay, I'm going to call this one, let's say this is Flash. Okay, done. And then here, I'm going to go, oops, add, again, blog, custom feed, side by side, and then I'm going to update, oops. I'm going to update this in my settings to be the same as the other one, except the category this time is going to be all posts, choose Flash, change my layout to say 10, or whatever you decide. Okay, and you're done. And you can do the same thing for all of your other categories. And so now you see Scratch and Flash in my heading here. I'm going to do the same for my others, but before that, I'm going to turn off my blog. I don't need to see a page with all of them. I mean, you might want to keep that, but I don't think I need that, so I'm going to go here and hide my blog page. That gets removed from my heading. I'm also going to delete the assignments page because I don't think we need that. Okay, you guys can do the same. Delete that page. And I'm going to move my Scratch page below my Flash. And then when I create my game design, I'm going to put that after Scratch. Okay, and that's how you do that.